Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the Iron Cafe gate in Phase 8, the part of the latest classic event part 2 update. So this new area called Iron Cafe is where you can get the disco mutation phase, which is pretty rare and definitely worth it. But before you can enter, you need to unlock the gate first like this. It's still closed like this, and to open it, you need to go to this area to complete the phase that asks. In here you have to submit three different type of phase. You need the builders club phase like this, and then turbo club man phase like this, and then ultra celebrity phase. And you can cut all of this phase either in this classic cave like this, outrageous, turbo club, and then builders club phase like this. You can get all three at the classic island or classic cave. And once you have all three, just go to this area again and then just submit all phase like this, and just like that. The gate will be unlocked like this, and you can just go to the Iron Cafe like this, enter the Iron Cafe like this, and then just do fishing like usual. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.